Sige.
Hi guys. Bye my love.
Bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Fave. Wait. Init. Hi, Guhan. Very demure. Cheese, ay ano, mooncake. Maliit na mooncake. Pwede ba yun? Nga. Masarap. Nangangalay na nga ako. Ang tagal naman. User, thank you. Ang tagal nyo pa nga. Yes, nakainom na ka ng pills. Thank you, mahal. Hi, mahal! Welcome to my live. Hi, I'm Reyes! Mahal, hello. Kumusta? Yeah, kumakain ako ng mooncake. Kukunin ko mo ng stand tong isa. Busy ka lagi. Wait lang. Isang binigay ni Mahal na gagawin kong stander. You gotta feel an emotion. Wait lang. Live din ako sa Facebook page eh. Pangit. Tell me, thank you. Sakit na dyan ko. Nag-back to na ako, shirataki. Lakas ko kasi kumain ng Lakas ko kumain ng rice. Let me see some stars. Starlight. You got me feeling emotion. Mooncake. Mm. Hi, Jelly. Nasa taas. Ito yung may egg yolk. Mm. Hi, Seti. Thank you, Seti. Di ba yung Seti, ano yun? Bilang yun. Sa Seti. Otso. Ay. Di ba yung gano'n? Mm. Mm. Di ba gano'n yun? Mm. Sarap siya. Terema kasi, ako shinta ka mo. Hi, mahal! Lame kaayo. Patingin naman ako ng stars. Can I see some stars here? Can I see some stars? Let me see some stars. Hi, mahal. Chop yung mooncake. Hmm. 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 I think I understand. I think I know apa ka kamo dari Indonesia. I think sinasabi niya, pupunta kayo dito sa Indonesia. We visited Bali, Indonesia last year. It's gonna be our it's gonna be 1 year in November pala. November. Hi. Mahal nga. Pero sarap. Bumili ka ng mooncake. Mooncake from Hong Kong pa talaga yan. Yan ay. Yeah. Yummy. Gusto ko ganyan buhok katulad sa'yo, mahal, kaso di bagay kaya pinagupit ko tulad nung una mong buhok. Ha? Vern, thank you! Ano, mahal? Nagpagupit ka na ng ganito tapos hindi bumagay? Hi, Abe. Hi, Jenilyn. Thank you, Vern. Eh. Sayang. Mooncake. Mahal siya kasi meron siyang moon sa loob. Share kaya natin yung live ko. Wait lang. Share ko lang. You come. Maayong gabi eh. It's yummy. Wait lang, wait lang. Bagay yan. Ako din nga feeling ko nung una hindi bagay sa akin short hair eh. Totoo nga, hindi nga siya bagay. Okay naman. Bumagay naman. I just always smile. Bumagay ba? Very demure. Yabang. Musta si Moshi? Ayun, nasa taas. Ganda-ganda. Hi, Dahlia! Hi, Seti. Hi, everyone who's entering my live. Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, everyone. Thank you, Susobrado Arjan. I miss you too. Tara, PK tayo. Ano, PK tayo? You got me feeling emotion. Hindi. Nasa taas. Init. Hi! Masakit pala ng singaw ko. Nakakainis. Hi, Geisha. Hindi siya straight kasi gay siya. Hi, General Gio. Ganda ng damit. Thank you to CJ. Thanks to CJ. Sexy naman ng baby mo. Nasaan? Bakit? Hi, JRC. Hi, Gabriela. Hi, Mommy D. Hi, Apple. Shout out from Pampanga. Nanong buri mo. Loko ng pimple ko. Sinabi ko huwag kayong magbibigla kasi gaganon ako eh. Hindi naman loko yun. Huwag naman sana monkeypox naman eh. Hindi, pimple yun, pimple. Hindi ko siya ipapap. Ano ata to eh? Bagong dibdib. Bagong boobsicles. 3 na. Masyado daw kasing maliit eh. Kaano-ano niyo po si Julian Ward? Kuya ko po. Hindi yan nipi. Nipis ang tawag dyan. Si Julian Ward, kuya ko yun. Hi, Lucifer. Ganda naman ang name mo. Diba, Julian? Ewan ko eh. Sabi niya si Julian daw eh. Baka kuya ko yun. Kuya ko ata yan si Julian. Nakainom na ako ulit neto. Naiwan ko kasi eh. Pati yung capsule. Gusto mo rin ng ganito? Wag, pangit pag 3. Si Moshi madami, may sobra pang, ay may kulang na isa si Moshi. Tama ba? May kulang na isa, may sobra na isa. May kulang siyang isa. Tapos yung nanay niya may sobrang isa. Baka, hindi. Can I see some stars? Wala pa ako nakikitang stars ha. Mami D! Thank you, Mami D! Parang feeling ko isa pa. Gusto ko nga mag-donate. Sino daw ang gusto na madagdagan ng inyong mga bubelya? Meron pong magdo-donate. Hindi. Pwede sa puwet? Ay! Hi, Janet! Nanong buri mo? Ba't namatay? Hi, 11-14-19-20-10-9. Hello sa'yo. Nakuha ko yun. At dahil dyan, magpapahalo-halo time ka. Si 11-14-19-20-10-9. Grabe naman. Chua. Grabe naman ang haba ng number. Anong meron kaya dyan? Siguro special yan. Ika mong buriko. Alam mo, niloloko niyo ako. Loto? 11, 14, 19, 20, 10, tsaka 9. Try nyo nang tayaan sa loto, baka manalo kayo. Hala, grabe yung pagkalag ko kagabi, no? Nagme-message na sa'kin si JR kasi minessage ko siya na sana makadaan siya sa live ko. Excuse me, dumaan nga siya. Nag-end live naman ako. Tapos nung nakadating naman kami dun sa restaurant na sa cafe na kakainan namin, nag-live ako ulit. Nag-lag naman ako. Walang iya yan. Sino kumausap kay JR? Hi, Polancos! Bakit? Anong pinag-usapan niyo? Di ka pa ba nasanay kay kay R2 nun? Nakatulog ako sa live mo. Hi, Chua! Welcome to my live, mahal. Nakatulog ka sa live ko? Oo, tagal kong hindi nagsalita eh. Hi, Aling Vicky. Welcome to my live. Hi, John. Christopher. Malam Jumat. Hi, Sorol. Ako, Shinta Kamo. Hi, Matilda. Thank you, Matilda. Hi, Isaac. Isaac Newton. Si Isaac. Hi, Jessa. Sinong user? Sino user? User G? Sinong user nagpapaturo mag-Tagalog? Hi! Taga-Canada. Sino yun? Alam ko na. Oo, yung isang user. Kanina mo inalay si Favecast. Kay user o kay Kay JR. Hi, just the way you are. Hi, Ara. I think hanggang 12 lang ako magla-live. 22 na ngayon, 23. 22 ngayon, 23. 22, no? Maingay sa electric fan mo. Maingay, 22. Maingay ba electric fan ko? Ang init kasi eh. Yan. Mainit. Kay Asher, sabi ko dapat 9 members ang bini kaso busy si Apit kaya. Di ka na po mag-live sa TikTok. Baka mag-live ako. Hi, Uni Joe! Huwag ka na magpakagat ng aso. Alam ko namang takot na takot ka sa injection. Yes po! After nun, nag-iingat na po ako. Hi, Ali! Hi, user! Takot ako sa mga, totoong aso. Pero yung mga feeling aso, hindi. Ay. Officially unemployed? Ano ba? Hi, Krista! Ara, napapanood mo yung mga jokes ko? Na ako? Kasi nag-graduate ka na. User, thank you so much for following. Hi, Krista! Thank you! Sarang heyo. Good night! Oo, ganda-ganda mo dun sa graduation mo lalo. Di ba nag-comment ako nun? Ha? Ano? Ha? Wala na ako. Curious na ako niyan. Si Trini. Do you want to see my fist? Do you want my fist to touch your face? Sawadee ka! Tapos, di raw magkakapera sa Pasko. Sino hindi magkakapera sa Pasko? Ang hindi papasok? Hindi papasok saan? Sa school? Sa work? Ang hindi pumasok sa live. Bakit naman kasi hindi ka pumapasok sa live? Ayan. Papansin naman ito si Ali Hassan. Are you from India? Hi, Echo. Kaano-ano mo si Jericho? Ay, ganun yun. Ang sarap ng mooncake. Lasang hopya na may itlog. Cute nitong langaw, malnourished. Mm. Nasa taas siya, mahal. Bagay sa'yo short. Talaga? Thank you po. Hi, Eileen. Just the way you are, welcome back. When I see your face. Mag-end live na muna ako dito sa Facebook page. Bukas na lang ulit ako. Pina-warm up ko lang kayo. Kakantahan ko lang yung mga nasa Kumu. If you still want to watch me live, naka-live ako sa Kumu ngayon. I'm live on my Kumu. So if you wanna still watch me, go to my Kumu account. Download Kumu. Go to my Kumu account. It's Ward_Reynalyn. Sa lahat ng mga Pinoy dyan, kung gusto nyo pa rin ako mapanood, lipat kayo sa Kumu ko. Ward_Reynalyn ang name ko sa Kumu. Bye-bye! Kantahan ko kayo ng Just the Way You Are. Ha 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 ha. Kantahan ko kayo.
Para may tulong sa tibay, bago lumabas, magtibay gatas! Clear brand.
Bawal lumabas. It's me, Vanessa. Hi, user. Ay, pinatay. Thank you for following me. Hi, Carol. First time ko itong kakantahin. Dahil kay Just the Way You Are. Her eyes make the sun look like the night shining. Her hair goes perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. I know, she won't believe me, and it's so. Thank you, Mommy D. Every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Patingin mo ng halo-halo tayo mo. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for. Hey, let's go, Mommy D! Amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all day if she'll let me. Alive, alive. Charis. Charis, di ko talaga to alam. Kinanta ko lang kasi pumasok si Just the Way You Are eh. Ito na lang. Patingin naman ako ulit ng halo-halo tayo mo. Thank you, user! Thank you, user! Take your eyes off of me. Bakit nagkano ko? Feel too ashamed to do it with you watching me. This is never ending. We have been here before. But I can't stay this time 'cause I don't love you anymore. Please stay where you are. Don't come any closer. Don't try to change my mind. I'm being cruel to be kind. I can't love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart. There is so much space between us. Baby, we're already defeated. Everything changed me. Sorry po, nag-back out po ako. Ni-change ko lang po pangalan ko. Okay lang, Adine. What's your name kanina? Si user? User ba name mo kanina? I don't want to carry on like everything is fine. Conquering, ignore it all. The more that you fight. Please don't fall apart. I can't face a breaking heart. I'm trying to be brave. Stop asking me to stay. I can't love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart. There is so much space between us. Baby, we're already defeated. Everything changed me. I can't love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart. There is so much space between us, baby. We're already defeated. 'Cause everything changed me, and I don't think you can save me. Sakit naman yan. Hi, Ted! Hello po sa mga pupasok sa atin dyan. I mean, sa live ko. Hello po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And thank you so much sa mga nagda-drop. Let's go, patingin naman ako ng mix and match. Halo-halo, uber ang saya and halo-halo time. Gusto niyo pa ba kumanta ako? Wag na lang. Ito.
Book Early Save Big.
Two old friends meet again. They're in older faces. Talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again. Have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love that they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. Sino dito yung nag-wish ng maybe this time? Sino? Sino ang merong iniisip? Sa I'm always feeling back again. Da-da-da. Ayan! Maybe next life. Mali nyo. Never change. And even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter. Hi, Zafira! Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can't be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back then when we tried. Cheers ko namin. Napasayaw. Magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be love it. They'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time. Oh, your love won't end. Your love won't end. Oh, your love won't end.
Don't hide the
12 mag-end live na ako. Ayaw niyo ko pa 100k? Grabe naman! Nagagalit na yung likod ko. Charis. Kantahan ko pa kayo ha, hanggang matapos. See with her, and it crashes me inside. Guess I should have stopped thinking about you all the time. Maybe this is what I needed. Maybe this is a sign. Maybe I've been blind to reality. Baby, tell me every little glance my way. Every time I wanted to hang, you seem so interesting. Could you tell me, was it real or was it all in my head? Oh, was it real or was it all in my head? She's so pretty, you two look so great. Time for me to move on now. It was probably just a silly crush anyway. But I just wait lang. That we could have had something. I've been really been by. You seem so interested. Can you tell me all in my head? Was it real or was it all? Was it real or was it fake? Was it all the mistakes? Boy, I just wanna know. Hi, loser. All in my head. I can love.
Papagal-bagal sa umaga? Skip Bagal Mornings sa Coco Crunch. Ubus agad!
Ngayong nasa Miss Universe ka, kaya mo bang tumayo ng ilang oras?
Good night, Cha. Hi, OP.
Covers PH.
Boy, I just wanna know if you ever leave me, baby. Hi, OP. I'm at all. 'Cause it would take a lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. No religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifice that I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. Every day, ba't ang gulo-gulo ng buhok ko? Sino nakaka-relate dito? Pag mahal na mahal niyo yung tao, no? Parang hindi niyo kakayanin pag nawala. I'll never be your mother's he can't even look me in the eye. If I was in their shoes, I would do the same thing. Saying, there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. She's afraid of something they can't understand. Little Dolly, watch me change their mind. For you, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. Pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding without making my heart. There'll be no sunlight if I lose your word from. Wait lang, sorry, may nag-message lang. If I lose your word from. Isa pang song. Ito.
I-push natin ang sustansya. Sa
Sorry.
pito.
Hi,
May
Mako.
sustansya yung creamy made with Alaska milk.
I heard you sing a good song. I heard he had his time. And so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, showing my pain with his fingers. Hi, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life. Hi, Makuna Hatata. With his song. I felt a flash with fever. Yes, po. Embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read I pray that he will finish. That he just kept right on. Killing softly with his song, killing me softly. With his words, killing me softly. With his song. Whoa, oh, 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 Mahal, mag-end live na ako dito. Tapos hindi na ako magla-live ng 1 week. 1 week ako hindi magla-live. One week. One week akong hindi magla-live. Umaba yung lashes ko. Tingnan niyo yung pekas ko. Umaba yung lashes ko. Umaba. Thank you, Elka. Wala na magpapaano sa inyo. Magpapamit, mix and match, halo-halo, ubrang saya, halo-halo time. Hi, Kuya Pawis. Elka, thank you, Elka ko. Elka ang pobre. Hi, Janaya. Hi, Harley Young. Ako si Harley Quinn. Harley. Elka ko talaga yan. Elcha ko? Elcha. Kala ko Elka ko. Elcha pala yun. Mahal, wag naman 1 week iiyak ako. Patingin nga ako ng iyok. Si Elka. Elcha pala, Elcha. Elcha cho. Elka ko. Elka. If we rewrite the stars, I don't mind. Hi, Faye. Welcome back again. Hi, Owen. Welcome to my live. You are the very reason in the ever face. Feeling ko si Faith kasi magpapahalo-halo time yun. Kumikindat-kindat kasi siya. Feeling ko talaga. Nararamdaman ko pa nga. Kasi ayaw niyang hindi ako magla-live ng 1 week. Yay! Let's go, Faith Cause. Let's go. Hi, mahal! So this is love. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 1 week ako din magla-live kasi hindi na kayo nagda-drop. Diba? 1 week yun. 1 week. So this is love. Mm-hmm. So this is love. Hi, Sunny. Maaraw ba dyan? Sorry, ang lakas. Ako si Mooney. 1 week ako magiging week. Ay, awarding, oh. Magiging week daw siya.
May joke sana ako sa'yo tungkol sa airport kaso
Ay, hindi ba ganun? Hi, dog. Dog of Z. Dog of Z. Dog of Z. Dog of Z. Si ano? Hi. Sino? Yung ang cute ng ang cute. Ang cute. Yung Kuya Guard kanina. Cute? Nag-i-English yung pag nagtatampo. Kalat pala dun sa likod. Ganun. Ako pag nagagalit, minsan, mahal mamimiss mo kami yun. Mamimiss daw. Talaga? Ang yan. Cute ba yun? We. Lang yan. Totoo ba? Loko yun ah. I want you to stay. Papatagal ko na sana sa post niya. Post niya? Nag-post ba siya? Hi, Moy! Wait lang po, dun sa, ano niya? Dun sa pwesto niya? Ano ba? Sorry, hindi ko gets. Hi, KP. Ah, sa pwesto niya. Sorry naman, mahal. Hindi. Gusto niya nga si Moshi eh. Bubulsa daw niya. So, pag nawala si Moshi doon, alam ko kung sino yung lalapitan ko. Ay, hindi. Oo, mag-drop kaya kayo. Hanggang 12:30 na lang pala ako. Nobody's gonna want me better. With you, my baby. Ta-ra-ta-ta-ra-ta-ta-ra. I'ma stick with you. Hey. Tara-bara-bam-pera-kum. Ke-ke. Uy. Ano daw? Thank you, mahal. Sorry, wait lang ha. May ano ako. Baka mawala yung kwento. Sayang. Di mo ba kami mamimiss? Mamimiss. Kita-kits na lang tayo sa stories. Joke lang. Magla-live pa rin ako. Ito naman, nag-joke lang ako. Joke lang. Joke lang naman yun. Joke lang naman po yun eh. Nye 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 nye. Sorry. Busy si bakla. I'm the type. I'm the vibe. Bye na. Bye. Yan, nag-mute ako. I'm the problem. It's me. It's me. Hi. Hi, not Jay. Saan ka punta? Maglalayas na. Charis. Moy, thank you, Moy. Thank you, Moy. Ay, bago pala ako mag-end, hintayin ko. Oh, wow. So, yung hindi ako nakapanood dun. Galing. Eh. Hmm? Oh my gosh! Wow. Hi. Okay. Mag-e-end live na ako, mahal. Bye-bye na. See you after 1 week. Mamimiss ko kayo. Hindi na tayo magkikita ng matagal. 1 week tayo hindi magkikita. Mamimiss ko kayo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Joke lang. Bye-bye na. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye, Mommy D. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you, Moy. Thank you, Siege. And to everyone who dropped tonight, thank you so much. And sa lahat na nanood, bye-bye. Love you.